Can't restart your Alexa without doing a factory reset? Well, after doing this, you don't need to lose any of your settings. In this video, I'll show you 3 methods on how to restart your Alexa device properly without resetting it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Restart the Alexa using the power cord. Unplug the power cord from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. Wait a few moments for it to boot up and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Method 2. Using voice commands. Say Alexa restart. After restarting, your device will confirm that the restart is over. Method 3. Using the Alexa app. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Now tap on the device's icon below. It looks like a bulb. Now tap on your Echo device name. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Restart Device, and it will restart your device. So folks, this is how you can restart your Alexa without doing a factory reset. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.